Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope my lovely YouTube family you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful stunning dyed hair nail designs for beginners for women. You will see the stylish hair nail designs ideas for my channel and most beautiful embroidered fancy nail designs, flowered nail designs, matte coffee nail designs ideas and amazing flowered nail art ideas for my channel, different pieces and different new nail designs ideas for my channel. Most beautiful and amazing new nail designs ideas, long nails and manufacturers nail designs ideas, 4 pieces white hair article nail designs ideas, trending bridal nail designs ideas for my channel. So please guys visit my channel and you will see the stylish bridal nails, modern nails, fancy nails and seconds nail designs. All nails are beautiful and different styles and different colors, new colors, light colors and dark colors. Wow, looking so gorgeous and amazing, adorable and unstylish new nail designs. So you will see the stylish and amazing fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. So please viewers subscribe my channels and you will see the stylish more than hundreds of designs, ideas, all nails very beautiful and stylish analytic nail designs, different nail designs ideas in different colors, different fancy nail